Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm getting ready. I'm going to the church, and I'm on the way to my meeting. After my fellowship meeting, I'm going to the church. I don't know if I can visit Tatay or what. What I know, Tatay is sleeping today. I cannot find my son to answer. I put pen in my happy weekend everyone. See you later or tomorrow. To bring my umbrella because very hot outside. The weather is still very hot. It's almost October. Almost October, but the weather is still hot. Bye guys.